Hello friends, welcome to RenwilEducate channel. In this video, let us learn how to sort data in Excel with VBA code. Friends, before moving to this video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate, like my videos and share my videos with your friends. Friends, I have one example to explain how to sort data in Excel. First, let us see in general how we can sort data in Excel. If you see category, okay, you can sort based on ascending A to Z or based on descending Z to A, or you can sort by color as well. Okay, now I will sort out using A to Z. So the furniture, which is F, is the first, office supply second, and the technology the third. This is single level sorting. Excel also supports multi-level sorting. How we can do that? To do that, we have to go data and sort. Here, the first category I have selected category. Sort on which I want to sort. Okay, you can maybe give as values, you can give as cell color, font color, or cell icon. So here I will give values, okay, and order in which way. There is a three option: A to Z, Z to A, and custom list. Maybe you can give maybe the weekdays or months or like that. Okay, so I will give here A to Z. This is single level sorting. Okay. Suppose if I want to change sorting in customer name, I can select here sort by customer name and I can click OK. Immediately your customer name column will be sorted and accordingly the values will be also sorted. Now I want to sort with the multi-level sorting. In this case, you have already single level sorting here, that is sort by customer name, values and the order. You want to add another level of sorting. So to do that, okay, first you can change maybe this one to category and you can add another level. So after first as order is first or sort by category, second is by sale date. Okay, so here how you want to sort? By values again, and which one you want to sort? Oldest to newest, newest to oldest, or custom list. So I will give oldest to the newest. Okay, and I'll click OK. Now you see the furniture is sorted A to Z. But my sale date is from the oldest to newest date is sorted. But here, this is little difficult to understand. The problem here, the first level of sorting is the primary. So if furniture comes first, then in furniture the oldest one is 14. So that comes first. So similarly, office supplies, in that oldest is 17. So each has one values. If you see the technology, in this the oldest is 13, then 15, then 15, then 16. So likewise, this will sort it out. Now this is in general how you can sort out. Now I want to sort using VBA, using macro. To do that, you have to go to simply developer, okay, then record a macro. So here you can give single underscore level underscore sorting and click OK. Okay, now your record, your macro is started to record. So what you can do, simply go here and give the you sort out whichever you want. Maybe I'll sort out here based on the sale date, and I will make is the oldest to newest. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So first date starts with first, then second, then third and fourth and fifth. Likewise I sorted out. Okay, so this is the macro I want to record, and I already recorded. So I'll just simply stop recording. Now I want to assign this macro to a what I will call to a button. So I will simply drag one button here, and I will assign this macro to that button, and I will mention here edit text single level sorting. Okay, so this is single level. Now second option, second macro I will write, go to macro, options, so I will go to record a macro. Second, this is multi-level sorting. Okay, so in multi-level what I will do, I will go to data, I will go to sort, the command cannot be, okay. So in second what I will do, first I will select based on A to Z. Second, the furniture, and here automatically already assigned here. So this is multi-level sorting, we can say. If you want, since it's not, okay, it's coming, so you can add one more level here, customer name, values, Z to A, and I'll close, and I'll go to developer, and I'll stop the macro, and I'll go to insert, I'll insert one button, and I will assign this multi-level sorting to this button, and I'll write here multi-level sorting. Okay, now you want to run the macro. First, you know, single level, this one, and this is multi-level. So when you click single level, your data is sorted out based on the sale date. Okay, now second is multi-level. How multi-level? Category first, and second is customer name. Oldest the customer name is coming first. So this is how you can use macro to sort your data in Excel. Friends, if you like this video, kindly share a nice comment below the in the description. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate. Share my channel, share my videos with your friends so that more and more people get benefited from this knowledgeable video. Thank you, friends.